into the echo chamber. Ladies and gentlemen, I did tell you that inside the echo chamber, for today, I am going to stick to sound system culture. Because there is a good news for the whole of Africa. Sound system culture is, it's on the rise. And Africa is where everyone is looking up to. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight into action because I have a lot. I was trying to link the African champion, but look like he's on a flight now, so his phone is on a flight mode. But any which way, everything good in the place, everything is all right. Ladies and gentlemen, Reggae Sumfest Global Clash 2023. Reggae Sumfest Global Clash 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of contenders. We had 5 contenders. We had Asaase, who happens to be the defending champion. Asaase, won Reggae Sumfest Global Clash 2022. You understand me? Asaase won that. Global Clash 2022. Asaase won that. Now listen to me. Dynamq won Jamrock Cruise Clash. That is 2022. Dynamq is all the way from East Africa, South Sudan, representing the whole of Africa. Listen to me very carefully. Now we had Code Red. Code Red is a sound system from Jamaica. They won World Clash 2022 held in the UK by Iris and Chin. We also, and Code Red representing Jamaica. We also had Echo One sound system. Currently, they are the champions of Magnum Clash. They just ended Magnum Clash 2023. They won that. And then we had Jamrock from Japan, who happens to be Japan Rumble 2018 champion. So in all, we had 5 sound systems. Asaase representing Jamaica, Code Red representing Jamaica, Echo One sound system representing Jamaica, Jamrock representing the whole of Japan, and Dynamq Sound International representing the whole of Africa. He is from South Sudan. Right now reside in Atlanta, representing the whole of Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, on the Saturday, on the Thursday, 20th July 2023, at the Pier 1, car park in Montego Bay. A lot of people say it's Montego Bay. Was the Global Sound Clash. And seriously, we give thanks and praise to the Almighty that everything was all right. And the man, Dynamq of Dynamq Sound International from South Sudan, East Africa, won the clash. Dynamq won the clash, ladies and gentlemen. But seriously, it was a joyful moment for all of us. It was a joyful moment all over because at the end of the clash, he picked it up, and we say glory and thanks be to the Almighty, because it's not easy for an outsider to go all the way to Jamaica and win a competition. You understand me? Now Dynamq is the defending champion of Reggae Sumfest Global Clash 2023, and he will go back 2024 to go and defend that particular title. Now, Dynamq, his real name is Kennedy Ongele, lawyer. He won a sum of 1 million Jamaican dollars from Magnum, from Magnum, and also he won $100,000, you know, I'm talking about Jamaican dollars, you know, from Sunshine Snacks. You understand me? We would like to say congratulations to Mr. Kennedy Ongele, lawyer, aka Dynamq, from South Sudan, East Africa, for putting Africa on the map in the heart of Jamaica. Winning, you know, this clash. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know, but to all those who follow sound clash culture, you will know that this is not an easy win. This is not a joke thing. You know what I mean? So, let's go and then have a feel of what happened in the the dub for dub, where they were supposed to play best of 10, and Dynamq won 6 straight. You know, Dynamq and Code Red went in the tune for tune, in the dub for dub, and at the end of the day, Dynamq won. So, Jonah, if we're ready, let's show them the video, what exactly happened or transpired in the dub for dub. So, Jonah is putting everything together for us to, you know, watch what exactly happened in the dub for dub.
Put up your hand in the ear if you proud Jamaicans. You seek of only vanity and no love for the cold red sound. Play a song, boy. All right. African. Make some nicer Dynamq.
Yo, big up. But Code Red. What is that? Heavenly Father, thank you very much for letting me beat them the whole night. Their mother at home a cry a ball. Code Red a try beg Jamaica to give you the trophy.
Dynamq sound kill some jump and sound in ya. International sound, big bad sound, kill them. Dynamq sound, pop out some sound, boy like kill them. Dynamq, you kill some idiot sound for we. Asaase radio.
Code Red! Give the microphone, a family thing. Code Red!
Him get the microphone and say, thank the Father for making me dig them the whole night. Why? And then you come out here and talk about say, yo, Jamaica, let me show you how you play this type of song in my country, boy. Press me. Amima.
Don't run when Code Red gonna bust. A killing sound, a diamond falls. A wearing live.
Play your song now, boy.
Run which part? Me dey a mobile. Run which part?
Asaase radio.
Listen. About 15 of them over there, so now me alone, you know. I'm going to show you something. Hey boy, the whole lot you diss up Africa. Africa not never do nothing. All who respect Africa, bust a blank.
All up merch. Dynamq sound.
Shabba!
Sound and respect.
Shabba!
Them sound hard on merit. You see Dynamq sound? Kill it. We don't know so the big ones about us so that we're not powder. Dynamq sound me said them roll dance a river. We don't know.
Alright. Calm down, Montego here, because we're very intelligent. I don't want nobody question my integrity. They said best of 10. Now they are telling me after each song I should have voted. And I understand this song. So after 2 songs each, ladies and gentlemen, who took the first song? Was it Code Red and Nadir? Was it the African and Nadir? After the second song, was it Code Red and Nadir? Was it the African and Nadir? So the African is now 2. We can fix anything. I mean, Mr. Fix It. Don't play with me.
Are the right number that feel?
Asaase radio. Right number that feel. Alright. Jamaica, I'm going to get serious now. When I try to be more, you're going to show me how to play reggae music. You hear that boy? And I say, me this Africa, never this Africa. And you say, we are saying enough to go back there. Everybody want to go back to Africa for repatriation. You are run from it. Let me kick him that short right. That's a press play.
Yeah, this is 2 centimeters. We're going to pull red.
Everybody who are in the country, put up your lights and put up your hand in our ears.
Big bad this jacket.
2 centimeters this.
Pier sound tonight. I say, yeah, a quad red sound to play. Don't hear it the now.
Come talk more bullshit.
A ball, you a ball, boy. And me alone, praise God the whole night. And them a fight me. I am a God-fearing person.
If you're not on Facebook, then you're missing. Please step on Facebook now, Asaase 995 page, and watch what is going on. Straight from Global Clash Reggae Sumfest in Jamaica, happening on Thursday.
Code Red, every time I clash you, you try to segregate the thing and I make people turn against me. Not tonight, boy. Not tonight, boy. You know why?
Boy.
You know why?
Just try to know you're clean. We are can't picking this, we are can't picking it. And all them are doing this and them can't stop moving. Can't pick. Ladies and gentlemen, be a one man thing of beer. All who's the code red. Let me see the hand of the code red. All who's the African, hand up there. Code red. One thing we know about Jamaica, and we need to afraid of people. You know you're ball for God. From the first year, we come up here and tell you about God. And you come up here and beg God mercy now, boy. You think God can make you get through the class easier? Kick him in that throat. Let me tell you about Mobby. You have flanker, you have TLM, and you have one next place named Gully.
Chris Diamond kill a sound and fling them in a the goalie. All him play till him kill a sound boy. Sound boy dead, yes him dead.
Come, cause you will be strong.
Go home. Move. Get away. Get away. Go away. You stink like alligator. Go away. Who do want me send them a graveyard? Say send them.
One more sound boy gone a graveyard. One more.
One thing of beer. Was it Code Red? Was it the African? People have spoken. People, me tell you already, I'm going to tell you the trophy and the money now left Jamaica. He could have tried, walk over here till him sick. And we are talking about going to graveyard. Let me send him home right now. Send him home.
Oh, now this one is designed to murder some
Yo, turn up the side. Turn it up. Turn it up.
in other clash.
Turn it up. African boy.
Sound boy, won't you go home? Go suck.
You cause all bad words so we can get one.
Go home. Yo. Yo. People. Enough respect, Jamaica. Enough respect. Who do want me kill them? Say, kill them, African.
Hey, this is pure disrespect. Not disrespect. Pure disrespect when some guy. Not disrespect, so could you step aside now? Dynamq, come to take over, yeah.
love for no matter what. We are here to represent and play the music. You see it? Him cause the bad without time mouth and them say, oh, we giving you one strike. Me play a song everybody a ball. Me not give up the trophy, not leaving this little island. I want to play Berries. Here where you play Berries, someone in a Jamaica boy. Press play.
Yeah, get better than that, man.
Made it try but could not test. Cold red sound, no.
Your fake tears them can't work.
Give me this. Yo.
Subscribe to that Sound Clash.
The whole night.
Dynamq robot code red.
Chumi come from a refugee camp.
I rock entertainment.
You see that tune, yeah?
Late.
This is a Jamaican national anthem.
I love me sleep.
But the way me respect Jamaica.
Nice.
Me call the artist, me say artist. I need that tune for Africa. Because you see Jamaican, who don't teach Africa now to stand up for your rights. See? You see that tune here now? Respect to my late father, you know. My father dead long time. And they used to tell my father, me will never grow up to be nobody in a life. But Jamaican culture give me a life. You see that tune here? Chris Diamond, who do go?
Sweet Africa is an island.
Final!
Sudan is shine. Help me big up Africa, the land of our forefather. The system might not proper. Dynamq still a keep the culture. Oh, can't you see the beauty of my black skin? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. What a nice place to see. A proud African. Everything's sad in the mama land. What a nice place to see. A proud African. Everything's sad in the mama land. All who attack, all who attack. It's your one more plate to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I know my mother, but I've never lost my father. Check, check. Check, check, check. And because of the African, ladies and gentlemen, I did not grow up with a father. But because of my African connection, whatever my father was supposed to give to me came on stage right now. Thank you so much, African. You don't know what this means to me. I thank you for this energy. I never know my father, but because of my African brother, I am richer now. I will count after this. Thank you so much, my brother. Listen to me. Do not talk to me now. I am the MC. Don't tell me what to do. I am going through the same thing that he has been going through. I was grown up in a village as well. Central Village. Thank you, brother. Who does that take it? Quad Red? The African? Oh, man. Play again. Play again. Give him a round of applause. Give him a round of applause. My rest lady up there, so from night for him I play your cheer, you fund me off whole night every time I play. Give him a round of applause. Give him a round of applause, man. Yeah, man. Give him a round of applause. Every song we play, you boo from night and you cheer for the... Yep, give him a round, yes. He might go on good, no. One thing we can't do a bad mind. The next thing when me don't do is give up. Fire shot, you have to get a dump in your nose. Press play, Mr. Selector.
Yes, stand up to the time, you know. Yes, I know. Please, me say no. Me not afraid to say.
Anytime we fuck your boy.
Now why you not go have over me go down my out. You know they don't move on me up. That's fly out. So this one will be saying I will not take back.
I yes, so class start change around. Yes, sir. African. Go ahead. Just go ahead. Don't worry about it, my brother. I got your money. We're going to split it after.
Yo.
We're going to split it after.
Foundation music. Can never go wrong with Foundation. Big up Vibes Cartel. Yo. You notice, may I play reggae music for my art, you know. Code Red. Me not disrespect you, but Code Red, you flop the whole night, bro. Don't try. Are you play the tune, but me I beg out the war? Are you a beg out the war, boy? All who said the trophy Ghana, Africa, who no put up your hand. Put up your hand. Foundation music.
Most of your gods.
Mighty Diamonds.
Dynamic, pass the dope on the left hand side, pass the trophy on the African side. So now got that when the crocodile play.
African, do not question my integrity. When I say you must play one more seat with $10,000 richer, now we can share equal. Thank you, my brother. Is this your last? You got more. If you got more, put two more. If you got more, put two more. See, you broke. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't have to ask any question because you have clearly decided your winner from about 3 tunes ago. But if you think Code Red won the $1 million courtesy of Magnum Global Sound Clash, make some noise. Inside is very quiet. But if you thought that the little orphanage from South Sudan out of Africa have won the global sound clash courtesy of Magnum Tonic Wine, make some noise for Montego Pier 1. Writing is on the wall. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2023 Magnum Global Sound Clash winner, Mystic Sound out of South Sudan. Dynamq.
Yeah.
No, Mystic is very mystic. So he's Dynamq. Come here, brother.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Chris Diamond, forward,
so
forward.
You know when I know you were destined
that was
for
what
greatness?
happened
When I saw you
the
in New York
Thursday
and moving in the park.
inside Pier
Let
1,
me get emotional tonight.
Jamaica.
And you see,
Dynamq
even in Jamaica,
put
people are
Africa on the
down
map.
because of the situation that
45
they are in.
minutes going into the
But you have taught us something
R1
in Jamaica.
here on Asaase Radio. You know what I mean? So if you're live on our Facebook page, you will see everything by yourself. You understand me? Dynamq making Africa proud over there.